My name is Shawn Shannon. I live in Pasadena, Maryland. Agency manager with Symmetry Financial Group for about 3 weeks, so just promoted. Prior to Symmetry, I was in the mortgage business for about 10 years at a pretty high level, pretty successful. That fell apart in about 2009 or so, and then joined Symmetry very tail end of 2013. Something that differentiates, I think, SFG really from any of the other companies or opportunities I've seen out there is just a true kind of dedication top down to kind of company and global success. Is that, you know, it's really a culture of production, a culture of success, you know, but everybody's willing to kind of help out even if they don't have a financial interest in your success, which is pretty remarkable. And then the big thing that drew me to is just the fact like how committed the company is to self-development, self-growth. And I mean, that really, you know, you can become the person you want to be before you actually get there, if that makes sense. Yeah, I think that the fact that you know, we literally have the cell phones for the owners is pretty remarkable. Having them as a lifeline, having the opportunity to reach out to them, I think that's really remarkable, and it's pretty great. I didn't want to work in an environment where I had to, you know, beat down the doors of my friends and family and anybody else that I knew. I didn't want to make that list of 1,000 names and then just start, you know, kind of rolling through it. I definitely didn't want to scroll through a phone book and do it that way. The opportunity that I can kind of set my own schedule based on, you know, the amount of leads that I acquire. I work in the counties that I want to work. And I can also, you know, really achieve any kind of income goals that I want just based on, you know, the leads that I purchase. And the fact that we sit down kind of kneecap to kneecap, you know, at the kitchen table, so to speak, with the families is great because you can get, you know, on a personal one-to-one basis with them, which will allow you to kind of connect at a deeper level, figure out the true kind of reason why something like this would make sense for them. And, you know, and really on top of that, you know, just to doing something, you know, over the phone or over the internet is pretty impersonal, and I've sold in both kind of capacities. You're just much more successful, and your percentages of the folks that you sit down with, you know, you're going to be, you know, over 50%, you know, as you kind of grow with the business. A lot of times I just I open up the door for opportunity. I ask, you know, what somebody's doing, you know, currently for a living, you know, and really, you know, I always ask, you know, are you looking for, you know, maybe either some extra income or a better opportunity? I let them know that I've gotten involved with a company that, you know, I speak as highly of as possible. I mean, it's remarkable, it's amazing. You know, the income is great, but the culture is even better. And that's kind of usually what I kind of try to stress and put across to folks when I'm talking to them.